To clear cache on your iPhone apps, start by opening the Settings app and scroll down to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Wait a few seconds for it to load all your apps. Once it's loaded, scroll through the list and tap on the app you want to clear cache for. If the app supports cache clearing, you might see an option to offload app. Tap that. This will remove the app but keep its documents and data, freeing up space used by cached files. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall app to put it back on your device without the cached junk. For apps that don't have any options, you'll need to delete and reinstall the app completely to clear its cache. Just long press the app icon on the home screen, tap Remove App, then go to the App Store and download it again. Make sure to back up any data if needed. Keep in mind this doesn't affect your messages, photos, or contacts. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips every week. See you in the next one.